1 Goldwood Sound GW-10PC-8 heavy-duty 10 subwoofer, 200 watts RMS and 400 watts max, 25 to 3000 Hz frequency response, 93 decibels SPL, 8 ohm. 1.54 layer aluminum voice coil, 40 ounces magnet with bumper plate and vented pole piece, poly-mica cone with rubber surround. Die-cast aluminum frame, overall size is 10.25, fits enclosure hole size of 9.125, mounting depth is 4.375, designed and engineered in the USA. Use for Pro DJ speakers, Pro PA speakers, Pro karaoke speakers, live sound speakers, fixed installation speakers, studio monitors and home audio speakers. This listing and price is for 1 Goldwood GW-10PC-8 Pro audio woofer. Top reviews from the United States. Great sounding. I have the 10 and 12 Goodwood woofers. I install the 10 in a set speakers I made for home use. The woofers look well made, install them. Bass was kinda soft at first, it took about a week, and now are coming alive really smooth, not boom boom like you hear in people's cars. I am not looking for heavy bass that overpowers the music but blinds with the music. If you have music with heavy notes, they will handle it very well. If you're building new speakers with crossovers, give them time to break in. I have the 8 ohm sets. I posted few pics. Update. Added the 12 woofers to the cabinet sides. Wow, really great sounding speakers. 12 is wired directly to the binding posts. And the rest of the drivers is hooked to the crossovers. Speakers packing insulation plays a big role in shaping the lower bass notes. Really pleased the way these turn out.